Hello and welcome to English tutorial session by Wizard. Today we are going to learn about use of the definite article. What's a definite article? The is known as the definite article. It points out a specific person, place or thing. Now let's see how the is used. Article the is used when we talk about a particular person or thing or one already referred to. That means something that we have already talking about. For example, the book you want is for sale now. In this example, the person is talking about a particular book. The other person might have already talked about a specific book that he wished to have. Article the is used when a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class. For example, the horse is a noble animal. Here we are not talking about a single horse. We are talking about the entire horse family. Here we generally speak that a horse is a noble animal. Article the is used before proper names. For example, the Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa is a proper name given to a particular building. By the way, Burj Khalifa is the world's tallest building. It's a proper noun like a name. Article the is used before the names of certain books. For example, the Holy Bible. The is also used before classics in literature like the Iliad, the Odyssey, etc. Article the is used before the names of things that are unique of their kind. For example, the sun. There is only one sun. You can't find any other thing like the sun. Article the is used before a proper noun when it is modified by an adjective. For example, the great Caesar. Caesar is a proper name. Even if an adjective is before the proper name, you can add the article the. Great is the adjective used here. Article the is used with superlatives. For example, the tallest child. Tallest is the superlative form of the word tall. Article the is used with ordinals like first, second, third. Here is an example. The first birthday. Article the is used before musical instruments. For example, the violin. Other examples are the guitar, the keyboard, etc. In this session, we were talking about how to use the article the in sentences. So here it is the end of the session. For more videos, please visit www.wizard.com. Thank you.